I just wanted to bring you a few small tips on little changes that we might be able to make in our own lives. Hi guys, welcome along to this week's video. Hope you're fabulous. I'm Antonia from timpanies.com. Do click there to find out all about us. Today I just wanted to bring you a few small tips on little changes that we might be able to make in our own lives just to be a little bit more sustainable in our fashion choices. And I didn't want to make them kind of really big ideas and really huge overhauls in our lives, because let's be honest, if they are really big, the likelihood of us actually doing them and sticking to them are so much smaller. So it's just a few little ideas. Love to hear yours in the comments below. So my first one is that you could choose to buy a guppy bag. Now a guppy bag is a bag that you wash your clothes in, and it stops any microparticles from, say, any plastic based materials, so like any polyesters or man-made fibres, from seeping out into the water systems. So it very much protects the environment. So that's one small thing that you could do. They're super cheap. I'll link them in the comments below if you're keen to go and check them out. The next thing is to shop in your own wardrobe. Now I work in fashion resale, and the amount of stuff that we have in our wardrobes, I know, is crazy. And if we just spent a Saturday organising it, Mary Kondoing it, and understanding exactly what we've got in there and pairing up new things, it is actually a really fun process. And you can take pictures of yourselves in new different outfits, and it really does not only save you money, but it also prevents you from going out and needlessly buying something that you actually might even have in your wardrobe already. So that's my second tip. So my third tip is, when you are choosing to purchase, do look on second-hand sites first. And I myself own one. It's called timpanies.com. We just deal in luxury. Places like Depop, they have high street as well. My husband manages to find, he knows his exact size on Ralph Lauren, and he buys his shirts on Depop for £20 brand new with the tags. Not only are you helping the environment, but you're also making a really great saving. And I actually fit Topshop jeans really well, but I would rather not buy those brand new, so I choose to buy them second hand. So yeah, always choose, if you can, to shop pre-loved or vintage and try and find what you're looking for there. Next up, I think maybe if we can't find what we're looking for on the second-hand market, we can just be more choosy about the places that we choose to spend our money if we're going out shopping and buying something brand new. So are we choosing brands that are sustainable? Are they using good fabrics? Will they last in terms of the quality and the value? Are we choosing to buy less but better quality? And Stella McCartney has always been at the forefront pushing sort of sustainable fashion, and she's very much in the kind of luxury level. But other brands that I particularly follow are Mother of Pearl. They're slightly less expensive than Stella McCartney, still reasonably expensive, but their website is just amazing. So you can go on and they're really transparent about how the different, and you can filter by sustainability, and you can see exactly on their website everything that they do to be more conscious about the way that their items are produced, and it just gives the consumer real confidence in the product that they're buying. And I think the final way that we can perhaps do our small part is just ask questions and talk about it. So that's kind of why I'm doing this series, because we just need to kind of start talking about it a little bit more, because it's amazing. Once people start talking and asking questions, things start to happen, and brands are forced to be more transparent with production processes and what goes on. So don't be afraid to ask questions, and most certainly just start talking to your friends and your colleagues about how they choose to shop, where they choose to shop, and just, yeah, get the conversation going. Guys, let me know where that lands with you. Love to hear your top tips as well in the comments. Other than that, wishing you a safe and lovely week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.